Hi, I'm Adam and welcome to Top Crypto. In today's video, we'll take a closer look at Binance. We will be learning about the platform, its features, how to trade on it, and all such stuff. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. The video is for informational and educational purposes only. All the links will be in the description box down below, so feel free to check them out. Now, let's get back to the topic. The first thing you will notice on the Binance homepage is that you can start buying cryptocurrencies right away. And if you just want to look at the numerous coins that they provide, you may do so by scrolling down. They truly do have a lengthy list of coins available, so click on View More like I did, and the list, like I mentioned, is really long. You'll also be able to compare the current price of each coin, as well as the 24-hour change, volume, and market cap of the project. And when we scroll over here to buy cryptocurrency, we'll notice that they have a variety of payment options, including bank deposit, credit or debit card, P2P trading, and even third-party payment. Then, if you click on the square symbol here, you'll see some of the additional features that Binance offers, including Exchange, a blockchain and crypto asset exchange. Academy. With Academy, you can really obtain tutorial videos and guidance on how to trade on Binance's platform directly from Binance. Broker, institutional and VIP services. Charity, decentralized exchange or DEX. Labs, Launchpad, research, as well as Binance's official trust wallet. You can look at those by clicking on this button here, the square icon. Then there are markets, trades, derivatives, earn, finance, and the newly added NFTs. So let's start trading. So, after we hover over trade, we can go to convert and simply see how much the conversion rate will be from one cryptocurrency to another. And then if we go to the classic trade model, it will open up a graph that will allow us to see all of the many possibilities that we have for trading any coin or cryptocurrency. So this graph is similar to the old simple model. They do have a more advanced one that we will look into as well, but this one is also quite detailed as well, so you can see all of the different options. And, as I mentioned, we can also go to the more advanced model, which will have more details and just take that you have a better understanding of how the exchange is going to work. But if you do have that knowledge and you're able to analyze it, this is another great option where you can look at the specific rates and just exchanges that you can do. They also have margin trading if you want to do it. However, Classic and Advanced are the two most commonly utilized. Margin trading is definitely an option. So, on the trading icon, they also have P2P trade, strategy trading, swap farming, and fan token options. Now, if we click here to wallet, we'll see all of the different wallets that you can store it in. So, personally, I recommend utilizing an offline wallet, which means having a private address, a real wallet where you can put all your coins, because when you buy cryptocurrency on these platforms and maintain it on an online wallet, you don't have full control over that money. So, I'll include some links to the best physical wallets, such as the Ledger Nano X and Trezor, below. So, be sure to look them up. It is also important to note that you'll be able to see your orders, such as spot order, margin order, futures order, P2P order, earned history from your orders, buy crypto history, so whatever cryptocurrency you bought, you'll be able to track the history here, loan history, convert history, launchpad history, and payment history. In addition, if you live in another nation and English is not your first language, they provide a selection of languages in which you can use the site. Not only can you choose the language, but you can also choose any currency to be the platform's primary currency. And I believe that covers pretty much everything about Binance. So, make sure to check out the description for all the links. So thank you again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like. Make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered and subscribe to our Top Crypto channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you in your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thank you for being here.